20 years after fleeing Sierra Leone's civil war, Euphemia Anne is preparing to meet British royalty. The London-based designer is sewing pieces for her label that'll be showcased during London Fashion Week.
I would have never envisioned this when I left Sierra Leone, that I would even be where I am now and working on such a monumental project. And I wouldn't have even believed it a year ago being here. So it's an incredible opportunity, and it shows that what people need is opportunity.
After coming to the UK as a refugee, Euphemia gained a fashion degree and interned for Alexander McQueen. Then she set up her own brand in 2012. She's been chosen to be part of a new project called the Commonwealth Fashion Exchange, an initiative that promotes sustainable fashion.
I think in the last couple of years there has been a lot of change, particularly in people's perception of fashion as becoming really a feminist issue. A lot of women are starting to understand that if they are real feminists, then they want to talk about women's rights. They can't then wear the clothes that have been done by a woman who has been exploited somewhere else in the world.
The scheme pairs producers from the Commonwealth's 52 countries with designers like Burberry and also smaller brands like Sydney Davis. The clothing for Euphemia Anne's label is produced in Sierra Leone and the materials are sourced locally.
I needed to find affordable production, and I thought, well, instead of going to the usual India, China, Bangladesh, all those places, where I have questions as well about the practices. You're not there, you don't see how the clothing's getting made, you don't see how long the workers are working and how they're treated. So I thought, well, instead of going that far, why not Sierra Leone?
Euphemia has set up a workshop in Freetown. And while fashion is a multi-billion-dollar industry for Western countries, she's proud to support struggling men and women in a country where jobs are rare and poverty is widespread.
So that was my way to contribute to Sierra Leone, because not only am I sort of helping educate some of these people, but in turn supporting their families, and they have a source of income and I know where it's made.
Designs created through the Fashion Exchange will be unveiled at a reception at Buckingham Palace. And while she hopes it will promote her brand, Euphemia Anne also believes fashion should be an active force for good. And she hopes by creating jobs with decent working conditions, she's also part of an ethical supply chain. Arabella Munro, TRT World.